I posted it. What are you talking about?
I didn't see it.
Did I not post it, Michael?
What?
The fucking...
The rum?
Yeah.
The
ron!
The ron.
Cabron.
Storage full.
What is that? Oh, shit, man.
Oh.
Sanchez, leave it. Hey, Sanchez. Leave it. No. Siéntate. Siéntate. Leave it. Good boy, go get it. He dropped it right at my foot, you know? Right to the camera.
Woo.
See, no fucking leash. It's not gonna go and bite anyone. Except for that guy, maybe.
Standing at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Yeah. It's easy to get his attention though. If he starts wandering off, just leave him. Because he always has to come back to his master, right? Like for example, right now he's there and he's on his own.
Yeah.
I'll run away and then he's gonna... Sanchez. Oh, he sees another ball. Sanchez, swim away.
Yeah.
He won't go there though. I gotta fix this ball up and this will be his ball, you know?
Yeah.
Fucking fast. Pues ya me voy, eh? Siéntate. Ah, pues no. Ya me voy entonces. Siéntate. No. It's not him that I don't trust, it's the people.
Yeah.
So, go the fuck around, you know? Well, I guess it's everyone's field, you know, but...
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. This guy's a long time.
He's tired as fuck.
Yeah, you hear it, man.
But he has that drive that doesn't give up, he just keeps going, man.
Sure, every dog does though.
Yeah.
You get tired, just like...
Some more than others, though. Like pit bulls, you guys got the most drive. I can stop. I might do the recording.
Much. Okay, there.
Whoa!
Oh, whoa! Mosquito.
Oh! It's like fireworks throughout town.
There's pizza in the house if anybody wants.
Even coming this way. Look at that. It was further. It was further back before.
Remember we saw? Remember like oh, it was like mountains.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we can't even hear it, eh?
Yeah.
Sick. It won't be here till tomorrow.
So actually, yeah, look at. I think it's a long time, man. Or maybe just passing, doesn't even rain.
Ow! Fucking mosquitoes,
I know,
man.
yo. Holy shit, yo.
Oh, sorry, bud. I better go home now, yo. Get this guy some water and shit.
Fucking mosquitoes, man.
So why do you guys have so much balls?
Because we're guys with balls. With a lot of balls.
I'm going in, guys.
Run over there.
Fucking hell, there's mosquito.
Oh, fucking, you're missing.
Round.
Yeah, I'm gonna go closer to get the better view.
You just zoom in.
You lose quality.
Yeah, yeah.
Put this guy to sleep. He's fucking exhausted.
How's it, man?
Yeah, I don't know.
You want
Kick
the
that as far as
second
you
side,
can, Katrina. No, like, kick it as far as you can. Sanchez, corre. Corre. Ah, he doesn't even want to get it anymore.